Hindi pala siya naka-record. Sorry. So, lagi nang garne. Anyways. So, again, gawa kayo dito ng 18. Wait. Ano bang 12, 18, no? 12, 18, 12, 18. Then, distance ng 34 and 6. Tapos, gawa kayo dito ng circles na 33. Dito ang center. Dito din ang center. Tapos, gawa kayo ng circle na dito ang center. Wait. Dito ang center 51. Tapos, magkakaroon siya ng intersections doon at doon. Tapos, doon sa intersections na yan, doon kayo gagawa ng circles na 33, 33. Then, delete everything else that is unnecessary. Then, connect ito. Tapos, ito. So, this is 58 plus 40 is 98. So, let's do that. From here, sa gitna, 98. And tapos, we'll start from the bottom. No? So, distance of 10 and 40. 10 and 40. Tapos 58. Yan no? I feel. And then, we'll make another line from here, yung 40, up to here sa 10, which is here. Yan. Then we'll delete these two. Tama ba? Parang. Anyways. And then line. Gawa kayo dito ng line height of 15. Tapos dito is line of 8, I feel. Yan. Tapos, lapit kayo dito. Pindutin nyo tong fillet. Yan. Tapos, pindutin nyo, ito R. And then, anong gusto nating radius? 8 or 5. Is it 5? I feel 5. 5. Yan. Tapos, select nyo yung objects. Are. Tsaka, ayan. Yan. Matik na. Hindi na tayo gagawa ng circle. Anyways. So, here, mineasure ko na yan. That's, per slice is 3. So, what we'll do is, may shortcut. Actually, tuturuan ko kayo shortcut. Dapat hindi. Pero, dat kayo nag-aaral na rin. Anyways, so, gawin muna natin yung isang slice na yon. So, ang height nun is 5. Tapos, 3. Tapos, gawa pa ulit tayo ng isa pang 3. And 5. Yan. Tapos, we'll make a line from here to here and there. Then, delete everything else unnecessary. Yan. What? No. Saan ko delete? Yan. Tapos, punta kayo dito sa, wait. Pindutin nyo ito muna ng dalawa. Ayan. Tsaka, ayan. Then, pindutin nyo itong array. Ayan. And then, dito sa columns, 13. And dito sa rows is 1. Ayan. Tapos, gawin nyo. Gawa kayo ng line. What? No, line. From this to 2.5 and 3. Yan. Tapos pindutin nyo to uling array na yan. Kahit sa, wait. Tayo ma-select ng array. Wait lang. Try yung i-select lahat. Hindi na select yung array. Weird. Okay. Sige. Na-edit. What? No. Okay. So, let's... tayo ma-select ng array kaunta. Anyways. So, alisin mo muna yan. So, okay. Sige. Line. From here. 1.5. No, 2.5 rather. Kaunta. Sige, wag na natin yung delete since basta 2.5 tapos 3. Yan. Tapos, gawa kayo ng array. And then columns 13, rows of 1. Ayan. Tapos, ito, turo nyo doon. Yan, matik, diba? Yan, tapos na. Yan. Tapos, so hanggang dito yan. So, kailan pa natin gumawa ng isa pang pababa? So, line. What? Hindi siya naka-ortho. Alam ba dito ang ortho? Ugh. 5 tab 90. Ewan ko, ayaw gumana ng ortho ko, so huwag muna. Tapos dito is 3. Pa-straight niya na ang akin niya, hindi lang nagana ngayon, so I just have to force it for now. Tapos, line from here to there. Yan. Then delete these 2. And then another line. No. Line. Yan. Then delete this. Ayun, tapos na kaya. Diba? Yun na yun. Yun na yun. For the borders, kaya nyo na yan. Sige. If you want to find the center of this, just, so dito, sa quadrant, you have to have this turned on, the quadrant. Anyways, so mula dito, hanggang dito. Yan. Tapos, yung center ng line na array, ito, yun yung center ng buong shape. So, if you just wanted to find its center, so, there.